Hey there! Yeah, you! Have you ever thought about getting paid for testing apps, playing games, or just sharing your thoughts? Well, what if I told you that you could make up to $90+ per hour doing exactly that? Sounds like a dream? It's not! Stick around because I'm about to show you how it's done and how you can start earning today. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the opportunity. How would you like to get paid for testing brand new apps or games before they even hit the market? That's right. Developers are looking for honest, real user feedback to make sure their apps and games are the best they can be. And they're willing to pay top dollar for it. It's super simple too. All you need to do is download the app, test it out, and give your honest opinion. It's like being a beta tester for the latest tech trends. But wait, there's more! You could also be filling out surveys, giving feedback, or helping brands figure out what works and what doesn't. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your couch, sipping your coffee, or maybe even lying in bed. The hours are flexible, so you can work whenever you want. And depending on how much time you put in, you could easily earn up to $90+ per hour. Think about it. Testing apps and games could become your new side hustle, or even a full-time gig. It's the perfect gig for anyone who's always wanted to get paid for their opinions and insights. So, what's next? It's time for you to take the leap and start earning. All you need to do is click the link in the description below to learn more. Don't wait, because while you're watching this, others are already making money, testing apps, and enjoying their new flexible gig. Click that link now, and let's get you started on the path to making up to $90+ an hour. Seriously, it's as easy as it sounds, so why not give it a shot? Click the link, sign up, and start testing today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn money from home, on your terms. Remember, you could be the next one getting paid to play.